is the next day after installing the spacers, and I am in love with the way the car looks. It looks amazing, and I got some new shoes for work. You know, got some fake carbon fiber going on down there. Because I'm a poser like that, you know. Oh wait, I got some real carbon fiber too though. Alright, but yeah, I am in love with this. I think I'm going to take this thing for a short drive today, so let's get to it. So I was able to get some drift spares today. Thank you to the customer who gave these to me after they didn't want them anymore. And that is why I can't film drifting. It always moves. I just drifted that roundabout perfect. Don't even see it. So that was one of my best manjis I've ever done. I hope you guys like that manji. I know you guys can't really see the road that much, but you obviously saw me whipping it back and forth like this and just steadily getting faster and faster until I completely straightened out. So that was a lot of fun. As you guys can see, I'm a lot more confident when it comes to drifting and the way I do it. I just never really get the chance to show you guys because the angle is bad, so I am sorry about that. I just wanted to come out here and rip it today. One, show you guys, and two, know what my car feels like before I put the angle mod on it. Alright, so I am back home now. So I really just need to get a mount for my phone to be able to film, because my camera's just pretty heavy and big, and it is not like drifting at all with the mount I have right now. But other than that, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. I know this is a short little video, but I just wanted to have some fun with the car, because actually I do all the time, it's just I never film it. and now you guys know why. So hopefully I can figure that situation out. So I am loving my build so far. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos on the build. And if you guys want to see more videos like this one, then please let me know by commenting below. And if there's any other type of videos you want me to make, then also leave those comments down below, as I want to know exactly what you guys want to see from my channel. But other than that, Angle Mod is coming up next. I don't know exactly when it's going to be getting done. However, when it does get done, you best believe I'll be making some videos on doing some skids and seeing how much different it really is. Because that Manji that I did, that you guys just saw, well, you guys kind of saw, the angle's pretty bad. I'm sorry about that. I was going like sideways, back and forth, almost fully locked. Obviously, if I go fully locked, you're just gonna spin out. So I know once I get the angle, I could Manji even harder, and then, you know, eventually straighten out and all that. But that is it for the video. Hope you guys are as stoked as I am on this car. I cannot wait. I want to eventually get a banner put in right here. My car's so dirty, I still need to clean it. However, yeah, I still want to get a banner put on, and I might put some stickers on it pretty soon. I have some pretty big announcements coming soon with that type of stuff. So I'll be keeping you guys posted on all of that. And also, I still am using my drifting simulator a lot with my Rift S, my VR headset. And I got the e-brake and everything. I'm still doing this a lot. So if you guys want more videos on that, I know a couple of my videos on doing VR drifting, they're pretty good. But I know my subscribers didn't subscribe for VR drifting content. They subscribed for either WRX content and or Subaru content in general, or they subscribed because of this car. I'm just so happy the way this car is coming. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.